What a week it's been for me this week, and the market seems to keep on going. This week is yet another week. So stick around if you want to find out what I'm talking about. Hey yo, what's up guys? We are here from the Forex, back again with another video. So in today's video, as we do each and every Sunday after Sunday, I'll be helping you find the best setups in the market this week. So if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Leo. Drop a sub, drop a like, and a comment actually on what pairs you'd like for me to analyze the next Sunday. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Yo, so joining me on the charts here. So what I'd like to start with is AUD The reason I'm starting with the setup specifically is because I shared the setup in last week's video. So if you haven't watched the video and you want to catch up to what is happening currently, go back, watch the video, feel free. But anyway, as I was saying, so let's start on the daily chart. So when I saw AUD pull back last week, it was at this point and was moving downwards. And when I saw that price is finding support at this level, I decided it's okay. You know what? Because my strategy relies on pullbacks, I'll wait for price at that point, and I'll be waiting for price to sort of like consolidate, as I always do. Sort of like consolidate, show me that it respects this level and it acknowledges these three levels right here. And then from there, as you can see, price started moving up from Friday, actually Thursday, Friday, price started gaining bullish momentum. So as you can see, let me just show you where I entered specifically on the 4-hour time frame. So let's check it out. So on the 4-hour time frame, which is not my entry time frame by the way, but this time frame I used to indicate to show me, is there still bearish or bullish momentum in the market? So what I saw at first, I was like, okay, the market's still moving sideways. I was looking here, the market is still moving sideways and there's still a lot of bearish momentum in the market. And I said that looking at this specific candle right here, and to me it made sense to wait for some sort of bullish confirmation to show me that bears are no longer in control of the market and actually bulls are in control of the market. And if you will see, if you look right here, this is where I entered. And the reason why I entered there is clearly because I waited for a reversal pattern. I checked if the market still has any bullish, actually still has bearish momentum. So from there, what I did was I bought, and as you can see, price only started moving up on Thursday, and I actually bought, I think, on Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. I bought on Wednesday, which then again, it helps to have a strict rule-based strategy that holds you accountable if you do not enter at the acquired dates. So I follow my strategy very closely. I do not trade on Monday nor Tuesday. Anyway, moving on to the next setup, which is NZD JPY, which for me is one that it has me a bit skeptical because for one, it's taking a long time to move up, meaning price is still gathering some strength and gathering some bulls at this level. I also entered on the space simply because NZD JPY and AUD JPY have a very, very high correlation, which is above 60%. For me, that is enough to tell me, you know what, if one pair is moving upwards, so will the other. So as you can see, this one consolidated for a much longer period at this level, and what I'm waiting for now, I entered very early technically. I'm waiting for a push to the upside. So I'm waiting for just bulls to take over to show me that they are in control. So that's what I'm waiting for at this point. And it's not too late, guys. You can still catch this setup probably on Tuesday, Wednesday. You can still catch this setup, and I have a feeling that price will continue to move upwards. But then again, we don't rely on feelings in the market, we rely on our analysis. So if you want to catch free analysis, catch me here. Drop a comment down in the comment section as to what page you want to hear me or see me analyze rather. So the next pair that I'll be looking at right now is Euro-JPY, which is one pair that I caught a beautiful setup. So last week, basically, where I entered is right here. That is where I entered specifically, and as you can see, that's where I placed my risk to reward ratio measurement thingy. So that is where I bought, and the reason why I bought this is because I saw price. Firstly, I saw price break, retest, and then at that level I saw that okay, I have a chance to enter here only if I wait to see if there's any bullish reversal signals. So my entry time frame is the 2 hour, usually the 2 hour, 1 hour, and as you can see on the 2 hour, I got this reversal pattern right here. That reversal pattern plus this, which ended up confirming that, you know what, price is ready to move up, and that's where I bought. Of course, placing stops at a very safe level away from support, and from there, price moved upwards, rocketed upwards, which is one of the best setups that I've had this year so far. And the next setup that I'll be looking at now is GBP JPY. And for GBP JPY, it's a bit different because going into this week, what may possibly happen, we may see a very large pullback. Price may pull back and then continue to the upside if possible. So I'd advise for people to look for possible pullback opportunities. For me, I'm not going to sell in the uptrending market. Instead, I'm going to wait for price to pull back all the way into support, and then from there, I'll probably look for buying opportunities, because you never know how far the market will pull back in an uptrend. So we don't predict, actually, we trade what we see. And the next pair that I've been waiting on, actually, one that I'm very excited about, is AUD CAD. For AUD CAD, the reason why I've been waiting for this pair is because, okay, first let me highlight a few levels here. As you can see here, this was once resistance, turned support, price tested at this level, and then from there, price broke below this level, and now price is currently retesting. And a break and retest is one of the best opportunities you can get in the market. So if you check things out, just check it out on 4 hour time frame. And possibly if price manages to pull back, actually price did already pull back, price pulled back into the 3 golden levels, and I was looking for a consolidation from here onwards, but price has other plans, it seems. But if price does manage to pull back into resistance again, testing it a few more times, I'll probably end up catching an opportunity for sell to the downside. So that is a very high probability setup that I have. A few more setups that I have is USD CHF, which is one pair that is new to my list. I've recently acquired this pair and added this pair, and I saw something this afternoon when I was analyzing the pairs. I saw something very intriguing, actually, rather should I say. So if you look on the daily charts, you'll see that the price is originally in a very large downtrend, and looking at that, I do not want to be on the opposite side of that trend. The reason being, you don't want to oppose bigger trend. The higher up you go in time frame, the more influential that time frame is. So the daily time frame and its trend will eventually show that it's influential. And the reason why I don't want to be against the trend also is because, it's a downtrend. So what I'm looking for, price has come back recently to retest this level right here of resistance, and it's testing. If you look to your left, this is now a level of resistance. It was once support, now it's resistance. Let me just highlight that level so you can actually see which level I'm talking about. And if you look closely, that level lines up with one of the 3 golden levels of my Fibonacci retracement tool. And at this point, what I am looking for, which we may have to wait for this one because it is on the daily, that's trend on the daily, and it's downtrending on the daily. So we may have to wait for a possible consolidation sideways somehow, some way, and then from there we'll wait for a move downwards all the way to this level. I'm very keen on this setup, and actually I should add it to my hot list because that's one pair that I'm watching. So the last pair that I'll be analyzing for today is the DXY. And the DXY, then again, we always use this one as an indicator. The reason why we use the DXY as an indicator, it basically shows us dollar strength and dollar weakness, what the dollar is doing. Is the dollar strengthening or is the dollar weakening? And as you can see, the dollar was in a downtrend. So the dollar was in a downtrend. And to me, the dollar still is in a downtrend. If price manages to break these highs right here, okay, actually, if price manages to break these highs and break above them, then that's officially a reversal. But so long as price is below those, so long as price is below those highs, this could still turn and continue to the downside all the way to those previous lows. If you look to your left, these lows right here. So price may continue going lower. So guys, if you enjoy these kind of videos, drop a like and a sub, because that indicates to me that you actually enjoy this video and you're actually watching till this point. So I just wanted to say, guys, I appreciate the support. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, and I'd like to see you guys support this channel more. Just simple. It's very simple. Just drop a like, subscribe, and that's all you have to do. It's very simple. You don't have to pay. You don't have to do anything. Just drop a like and a sub. That's all you need to do. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Until next week.